Hi everyone, hope you've all had an amazing Christmas and going to have a good new year too. So I'm just sharing my top tips to have a successful 2019. These are going to be short and sweet, so make sure that you remember and take action. Now the first one is to make sure that you don't have lists at all this year. Get rid of the lists. Okay, and now I'm not being dramatic. This is a tip that I've been trialing for the past year and it's been an absolute savior. So instead of doing lists, what I want you to do is scheduling your tasks like a diary. So I feel that everyone's got a really bad habit of collecting lists and lists either on scraps of paper, on the notes on your phone, and yes, you can tick them off, but sometimes there's just too much to do. Now the solution to this, and my very top tip, is to make sure that you schedule it like a diary. So for example, you've got your diary for meetings and events, and that's great, but have a separate one for your lists. Now, by doing this, it makes sure that you put them in the right day and you know exactly how important they are. Are they green, amber, or red? I think that when you have meetings and there's so much to do from them, some things you need to take action immediately, and ones you could, schedule in for, say, next Monday or next Tuesday. And then it allows you to make sure that you categorize everything to what's important first and what's least important, because half the time we get overwhelmed or are unproductive is because you've got too much to do and there's too much going on. So by scheduling these, it really helps. And let me know how you get on with them. And I promise you, if you go up to 1 to 2 weeks, keep doing it, then it'll make sure that you're more productive, don't forget things as much, and it's going to be a real savior. So comment below and let me know how you get on, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.